If your dishwasher isn't cleaning your dishes as it should, and you suspect it's not working properly, you're not alone. Before calling for repairs, there are a few simple fixes you can try. Today, we will discuss some of those tweaks that can help you achieve clean dishes with minimal effort. First off, yes, you can load your dishwasher with pretty dirty dishes. The only prep you really need to do is scrape off the big chunks of uneaten food. That's it. The dishwasher can handle the rest. As long as you remove the larger pieces that could clog up the machine, you're good. Don't worry about that sauce or grease on the dishes, leave it. No need to rinse or pre-wash by hand. Load forks and spoons standing up, so the dirtiest part gets better exposure to the water. And for safety, always load knives with the blades down. No one wants to accidentally cut themselves while unloading. So, here are 5 tips to get your dishwasher back in top shape, and hopefully, you'll notice a big difference in how it cleans. Tip number 1. Clean the drain filter. One of the main reasons your dishwasher might not be performing well is a dirty filter. In many machines, water is filtered through a washable mesh before it gets to the drain pump, and over time, food particles, grease, and grime can clog this filter, reducing water flow. A quick check and cleaning of the filter can do wonders for your dishwasher's performance. To clean the filter, start by removing it according to your dishwasher manual. Rinse it under hot water to remove debris, and use a soft brush to scrub away any stubborn gunk. Once it's clean, reinstall the filter. Regularly cleaning the filter can significantly enhance your dishwasher's efficiency. Now, in other machines, instead of a filter, the pump might act as a macerator. This is like a mini garbage disposal inside your dishwasher that grinds up food bits, making them small enough to wash away without clogging the drain. Dishwashers with a built-in macerator are great for breaking down leftover food and improving cleaning efficiency. Although these dishwashers don't have a filter to clean, the macerator is an additional component that can wear down over time. It may break, create extra noise, and potentially require costly repairs. Cleaning the filter or ensuring that your dishwasher's macerator is in good working condition is a simple task that can significantly improve your machine's cleaning performance. Tip number 2. Choose the right detergent. The type of detergent you use can have a big impact on how well your dishwasher works, and you've got a few options to consider. But before we continue, understanding what detergents contain can help you make a better decision when choosing the best one for your needs. We will not go into the detailed chemistry lesson here. Dish detergents contain several key ingredients that play different roles in cleaning. Surfactants help lift food particles and grease from dishes by reducing water tension. Enzymes target food soils like proteins, starches, and fats, which is why pre-rinsing isn't necessary. However, enzymes work best at certain temperatures, something we'll discuss later. Bleaching agents help remove tough stains and sanitize dishes, especially tea, coffee, and food stains. Many detergents also include fragrances and colorants for a pleasant scent and visual appeal, while preservatives help extend shelf life by preventing microbial growth. Always check the label if you have allergies or sensitivities to certain chemicals. Dish detergent is typically available in 3 forms: powder, liquid, and pods. Powder detergent is often more affordable and lets you adjust the amount based on your load. Liquid detergent dissolves quickly and offers the same flexibility, but it might not be as strong on tough stains. Pods are super convenient and mess-free, but they can be too concentrated for smaller loads and tend to be expensive. Powder and liquid detergents differ in how they work inside the dishwasher. Enzymes and bleach that are more stable in dry form, which is the powder form. These activate when mixed with water in the dishwasher, making them more effective at breaking down food, grease, and stains. Because the ingredients aren't mixed until water hits them, they're often fresher and more potent. They also come in eco-friendly packaging, reducing plastic waste compared to liquid detergent bottles. Liquid detergents, however, have already mixed their ingredients in a liquid base. While convenient, this can reduce the effectiveness of certain active ingredients over time. Manufacturers have to add stabilizers to prevent chemical reactions, which can sometimes weaken the cleaning power. Liquid dish detergent, like many cleaning products, doesn't typically have a hard expiration date, but it does have a best before period for optimal performance. Most liquid detergents are effective for about 12 to 18 months after manufacture. Over time, the active ingredients in the detergent, such as surfactants and enzymes, may start to break down, making the product less effective at cleaning. Additionally, if the detergent contains bleach or other active chemicals, these can lose potency after the best before date. So, if you see sale on liquid dish detergent, then it's a good idea to check the best before date and check for any signs that the detergent has gone bad, like changes in consistency, if it becomes watery or separates, color changes, or a weaker scent. For the best results, it's ideal to use liquid dish detergent within that recommended time frame. Dishwasher pods contain powdered detergent in a dissolvable casing, combining the convenience of pre-measured doses with the cleaning power of powder. Dishwasher pods are generally more expensive than liquid or powdered detergents. They may lead to overdosing in smaller loads, resulting in residue on dishes or in the machine. Their fixed dosage limits flexibility, making them unsuitable for smaller loads. Additionally, they might not dissolve fully in colder water, leaving residue, and they don't allow for customization based on how dirty the dishes are. These days, you'll mostly see pods or liquid detergents on store shelves. Powder detergents are less common. Companies love pods because they make more money and consumers appreciate the convenience. No measuring, no spills, and you always know when you're running low. People are willing to pay for that ease, which is a big reason many of us use dishwashers in the first place. Experimenting with different types of detergents can help you find the one that works best for your dishwasher and the types of dishes you clean most often. Generally, powdered detergent tends to be the most effective in terms of both cost and cleaning performance. As we mentioned in tip number 2, dishwasher detergents work best when the water is hot. This leads us to tip number 3, run the kitchen tap until you get hot water. In North America, dishwashers are typically connected only to the hot water line, whereas in other parts of the world, they may have a built-in heating element to raise the water temperature. While North American models often have a heating element at the bottom, it's mostly used for drying dishes rather than heating the water. Before starting your dishwasher, it's a good idea to run your kitchen tap until the water turns hot. Instead of wasting that water, you can use the time to wash larger utensils or clean the sink. Starting with hot water is important for a few reasons. First, hot water improves the detergent's performance, helping it dissolve more easily and break down food particles and grease, which results in better cleaning, especially for tough stains like baked-on food or grease. Hot water also plays a key role in sanitizing, killing bacteria and germs to ensure your dishes are not just clean but hygienic. Starting with hot water also helps prevent detergent residue from sticking to your dishes, leading to a cleaner finish. Even if you're using hot water and the right detergent, your dishwasher's performance can suffer if the detergent dispenser isn't working properly. It might sound simple, but using the detergent dispenser correctly is really important. Be sure to add the recommended amount of detergent and close the dispenser securely before starting the wash. If the dispenser doesn't open during the cycle, the detergent won't be released and your dishes might not come out as clean as you'd like. If your dishwasher has a pre-wash compartment in the dispenser, the next tip will be especially helpful. If not, you can skip it. So, now on to tip number 4, add a pre-wash detergent. Dishwashers typically offer multiple wash cycles designed to optimize cleaning efficiency, and understanding these cycles can really enhance your dishwashing experience. 2 key phases are the pre-wash and the main wash. The pre-wash cycle is all about rinsing off food particles and debris from your dishes before moving into the main wash. It typically uses a small amount of water and works best with a bit of detergent to get your dishes ready for a deeper clean. Adding detergent to the pre-wash compartment can help tackle stubborn residue that might otherwise stick around during the main wash. Keep in mind, some dishwashers only run the pre-wash cycle when you're using a full or normal cycle. Light or quick wash cycles often skip it. So, if your dishwasher has a pre-wash compartment, adding powder detergent to it can really help break down tougher food residues, making the main wash cycle much more effective. It's definitely worth a try. After the pre-wash, the main wash cycle is where the bulk of the cleaning happens. This cycle uses hot water and detergent to thoroughly clean the dishes, effectively breaking down grease and food residues. Also, remember that during the pre-wash, the main detergent dispenser doesn't open. The main detergent is saved for the main wash cycle. If you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, the last tip is to consider dishwasher cleaning products. Yes, we need to clean our cleaning appliances too. Tip number 5, use dishwasher cleaning products. Dishwasher cleaning products are specially designed to keep your dishwasher running smoothly by removing all the gunk that builds up over time. Grease, food particles, and hard water deposits can accumulate inside your machine, making it less effective at cleaning your dishes. If you live in an area with hard water, you probably know all about mineral deposits like calcium and limescale. These deposits can build up on your dishwasher's walls, drain system, and spray nozzles, causing clogs and making it harder for your machine to do its job. Dishwasher cleaning products help break down these mineral buildups, which not only improves performance but also extends the life of your appliance. Another big issue is odors. Over time, trapped food particles and bacteria can cause unpleasant smells in your dishwasher. A good cleaning product will help neutralize those odors, leaving your machine smelling fresh and clean. It also helps get rid of detergent residue and soap scum that can build up in the detergent dispenser and door seals, ensuring everything works properly. Rinse aids can also help with water spots on dishes while preventing buildup. To keep your dishwasher in top shape, it's a good idea to use these cleaning products regularly. About once a month should do the trick. By making them part of your routine, you'll help your dishwasher perform better, last longer, and keep your dishes sparkling clean. Thanks for sticking around. As you can see, keeping your dishwasher clean is key to making sure it runs efficiently and gives you the best results. With just a little regular maintenance and the right cleaning products, you can avoid buildup, eliminate odors, and keep your dishes sparkling wash after wash. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who might benefit from these tips. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep your dishwasher in tip-top shape.